Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Shamwari Lockdown. This one, there's been a slight delay on. As you can see behind me, there's this beautiful, what we call a pan, that's completely filled up with water. This was completely dry a couple of days ago. So we had a very big cold front move through here about 3 days ago. We've had amazing rain. It did put a bit of a delay getting out to that lion kill. But what I have put together, you're going to see now, so enjoy. So just a quick update. It's now 24 hours after the kill has been made. All these lions, they have incredibly full bellies, but this male has come back to the kill, and look how he's still dominating this kill. He's still lying over it saying, "This is mine, no one else feed while I'm feeding." And that's the hierarchy of the lion kill. Using that carnassial shear so effectively to get the edible parts of the bone that he can still crunch through. Although there's a lot of meat, they'll still be trying to eat bones and that for the nutrients and nutritional value that they can get from those bones. And he just crunches through those rib bones like it's nothing. And there's a youngster starting to move in slowly on the edge over there as the male has now finished his third feast. Little greeting as he moves off, and a couple of the youngsters move back. So these youngsters aren't as powerful muscle-wise with their jaw muscles as the male, for example, so they'll be going for the much softer meat. Quite defensive over his little takeaway meal that he has there. So it's normally a day or two after the kill on such a big animal that the lions realize they've eaten their fill. They can't have any more. Now a little bit time for social. Start interacting a little bit more. They'll start playing a little bit more. You can see that youngster with a little piece of sinew or skin or something that it's almost like his prize now, you know. He'll be quite proud of the fact that he has that little chew thing, and eventually it'll turn into a game where they all start playing with it, and you can just see how tactile lions are when they come together, rubbing against one another, rolling onto one another. The squabbles and dominance for meat over the kill has now ended, and everyone's a lot more relaxed. They're going to start playing a lot more and just enforcing those social bonds again to make sure that the pride remains strong as possible. So morning of day 3 now. There is no meat left. There's only skull, ribs and a bit of vertebra. All of the meat has been picked clean. The lions have moved off. The jackals and hyenas have moved in. I've just seen all of their tracks around. I haven't seen any of them though, and they've absolutely picked everything clean, and that whole animal has now been processed. All gone. Well, there you go, guys. I think the saying goes, let sleeping lions lie. I'm going to leave these guys be. Subscribe. There's going to be a couple of new exciting things happening, so stay tuned and keep a lookout for news. Stay safe wherever you are, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye for now.